Mga madam, is gold still good investment this year? Or hype nga lang ba? Good morning mga madam! Every year tumataas ang presyo ng ginto. Ang unang reaksyon natin, madam, hindi ko na afford bumili.
Aray ko.
Pero reality check, nakaka-afford tayo ng bagong damit, bagong bag, bagong sapatos, bagong gadgets. Mga bagay na paglabas mo sa store, bumababa agad ang value. Pero minsan, mas mahal pa sa isang pirasong ginto pero walang balik at walang value. Kaya tuloy feeling natin mahal ang gold pero hindi natin napapansin kung saan talaga napupunta ang pera natin.
Tama. Totoo nga ang hinala ko. Hindi ako maaaring magkamali.
Pero history doesn't lie. During inflation, gold protects value. During crisis, gold holds stability. During uncertainty, gold becomes safe haven. Central banks still buy gold. Governments still store gold reserves. Bakit? Because gold is not hype. It's history-backed wealth. So is gold still good investment this year? Yes, kung ang goal mo ay wealth preservation, asset diversification, long-term value, gold is an investment and value. Hindi siya get rich quick, pero get rich smart? Yes. Madam, huwag kang mag-invest dahil sa uso. Mag-invest ka dahil may strategy ka. Ang gold ay hindi para sa impatient, para siya sa disciplined. Kaya kung kaya mong mag-ipon para sa luho, kaya mo rin mag-ipon para sa asset. Follow me for more Gold Talk with Madam Goldigger's Jewelry, seller based in Canada. And if you want to invest in gold, you want to check out in our website at www.thegolddigger.ca. We also offer layaway payment plan with in-house financing and we're now pay later via Affirm up to 8 months to 24 months. Kaya ano pang hinihintay niyo? Mag-invest na kayo ng ginto. This is Madam Goldigger reminding you, trends come and go, assets stay. This is Madam Goldigger teaching you to warrior wealth with wisdom.